Good evening, guys. It's Zilo here from the ZiloTech channel, and with the last lesson, we did the background images. In this one, I want to show you guys how to create or put an image in the center of your website. So, what the first thing we do is you're going to right click anywhere on your desktop, you're going to go to New, then you're going to click Folder. Now, with this folder, you can name it anything, but for the purpose of this video, you're going to name it Website. Nah, simple. So we're gonna name the folder website. This is gonna come handy later on. So I don't know where you guys Visual Studio Code is, but mine is down here. So I am going to click that, then I'm going to go to File on the top left, then I'm going to click New File. Guys, again, you create a folder, you open Visual Studio Code, you go to File at the top left, you go to New Text File, not New File, New Text File. I click that, then now I see us to do something. We do not want to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click File again, then we're going to say Open Folder. You know, we just created a folder right now. So you're going to click Open Folder. I'm going to navigate to my desktop. Then I found my desktop. That's where my folder is saved. I click Website and I click Select Folder. It should open a new window for my Visual Studio Code. So after we have done that, we are going to click this button here that says New File. I click that. Just give it a second. This computer is a bit slow. Yeah, Visual Studio Code is still setting up, it's still starting. Then I'm gonna click New or New File, the icon for New File. Then now, for the purpose or the sake of this video, I said we're gonna add a picture in the center of the website. So I think we can name it. We can just name it website again. Website dot. This is a full stop, by the way. Dot HTML. Then I hit enter. After we have done that, you saw that thing that quickly just went by that says ask to do something. We're not interested. And now a shortcut to generate the full structure of a website is you hold down your shift key and you press 1. We want what we call an exclamation mark. So your exclamation mark, most probably for almost all of you, is on 1, but some it might differ. But you look for the exclamation mark, then you hit enter, then boom, magic. This generates the basic structure of any website. So we already got that out the way. We didn't have to type all of that. Now what did I say we are doing? We are adding a picture in the center of the web page or of the website. So to test if my website's even working at all, or if it's saved in the correct thing, I am going to use my h1 tag. So I'm going to say Zilo is teaching you guys how to code today. Zilo, or ZiloTech in full, is teaching you guys how to code today. Then below that, I am going to have my h2 tag. It's the second largest heading tag. I am going to say adding a picture to the center of my web page. Perfect. Now, just to confirm that it actually works, for those that are able to run their website from this, please do that. But I've gotten a lot of messages from people saying they're unable to run for some foreseen reason. I'm not too sure. But to avoid that, well, the easier way is you minimize. See, minimize. This thing is in my way. You minimize, then you look for your folder you have just created called website. Now, I open my folder. Now I see the website I've just created. Then I double click on it to open it. See, there's my stuff there. ZiloTech is teaching you guys how to code today. Perfect. Adding a picture to the center of my web page. Now the second step is to actually get the picture. So I don't know what we are going to do. Maybe I'm gonna type AI, because AI is crazy right now. Then I'm going to go to images. After I click images, yeah, by the way, this is what we're supposed to see. It's not appearing, but yes, after you have clicked run without debugging, Chrome opens up for me. It might differ for you guys. So I am going to focus on downloading the picture right now. So I think this picture is not bad, or this one, or any of them actually. I've seen this one too many times. Let's be different. So I'm going to right click on this picture. I'm going to click save image as. Was I too fast? Right click on the picture, save image as. Make sure the save as type is a JPG, JPEG, or a PNG. We do not want anything else. JPG, PNG, or JPEG. So this is okay. File name, I'm just going to name it AI to make my job easier. Then I'm going to click desktop. My desktop, then I'm going to click the folder I've just created named website. Then I'm going to click save. Then there it should download on the right hand side. I am just worried about the file size, but that's not an issue. So now if I minimize everything and I open my folder named website, I should just see the picture I've just downloaded and my website in the same place. So what do we do from there? We click Visual Studio Code. Now for the fun part, to add the picture to the website, we're gonna use a tag called img. After you type the img tag, I don't know, this Visual Studio Code is recommending stuff, but that's not what we're gonna do. The name of our file, or the picture actually, is AI. It's even telling you it's ai.jpg, and I just hit enter. Then to save, make your life easy, you hold down Control and you press S to save, and that white thing should disappear. Do you see the white thing appears there? If I delete and I Control S save, then changes are made to my website. So now I'm going to click documents. I'm reopening my website and I'm gonna refresh. Oh, would you look at that? Now an image appears in my website. Now I did say we are going to center, or we're adding a picture to the center of my web page. So we need to center that picture right now. So how do we do that? We're gonna go back to our Visual Studio Code. Here we're gonna use what we call the center tag. Just gonna hit enter, then the center is automatically generated. I am going to cut. To cut, it's Control X. Then in between center, I am going to paste. Remember, Control S to save. That's done. I go back to my website, which is at the bottom there, and I refresh. Perfect. Would you look at that? The picture is in the center of the website. We can actually do that for all of them. The easy way, there are two ways to work: the hard way or the easy way. No, not the easy way, the smart way. Work hard or work smart. So we are going to do the smart way. We're gonna open a center tag on top, and we're gonna close it there. It should not be there. Then I'm going to indent properly. So everything should be centered now. So I'm going to open my web page again. Then I'm going to refresh, and boom, everything is in the center. Same thing. Let us download another picture, maybe to add as a background. I think this one's not too bad. Right click, save image as JPG, very important. Then I'm gonna name this one back, standing for background in short. It's gonna download on the side. These are very low quality pictures, but we have to wait. So here we're gonna type back, just like background. We're gonna type background instead of ai.jpg. Then we just named it back, nah? Back.jpg. I Control S to save. I go back to my website, which is there. Then I refresh, and well, hopefully the background changes. So I'm gonna click refresh, and boom, the background does change to the picture I have just downloaded. Thank you guys very much. We will be having another lesson very soon. But as from me, from me, this is the end. Thank you guys very much.